Good morning everybody, welcome to my Canine Clinic channel. Today I am going to tell you about an interesting topic about the adulteration in milk. This causes a lot of health problems. Every day we need milk to make coffee, tea and everything. Even whole milk also people will drink. It is very much essential for small people and also old age people. Whenever there is adulteration in the milk, it causes a lot of health. I will explain in this video about how the adulteration is going on, how to what are the ill effects of the adulteration, and also the tests. There are 6 tests in this video. Please, I will tell you in the end of the video. Please follow these 6 tests. You can easily identify the adulteration in the milk, so that you can catch hold of that culprit. So kindly see till the end. If you have any doubts, kindly write in the comment section. I will definitely answer. Let us go into the topic directly. It's very simple. Please note it down. If you take a small quantity of sugar and a handful of urea, 1/4 liter of palm olive oil or any oil, any useful oil in the palm olive oil like that, and small quantity of surf, mix in the 20 liters of water, it becomes adulterated milk. If you see the separately this adulterated milk, generally we can easily identify based on its taste and smell. But if you mix in the equal quantity of good milk, generally it is very difficult to identify the adulteration in the milk. Once again I will tell how they will make the formula. Small quantity of sugar, handful of urea, 1/4 liter of palm oil, small quantity of surf. They will mix in 20 liters of water. Like that they will prepare the this adulterated milk. There are 6 tests how to identify this. I will tell you, explain one by one. There are 6 tests. Kindly note down. If you have any doubts, you can just rewind back and see that again. I will also give you in the comment section. I will write in the description section about all these 6 tests, how to perform them, how to easily identify in your house. You can conduct these tests in your house itself. You need not go to any lab at all. So I will tell you all these 6 tests. I will give you the explanation. I will give you this clear description in the description section. Kindly see. If you want, you can note down in your diary. And if you find any doubtful about your milk supplier, you can conduct the test and catch hold of that bloody fellow. First test is they will mix the water in the milk. How to identify the adulterated milk with water? If you put a drop of pure milk on the slant surface, generally it slides down slowly. After sliding down, you will find a white color mark. That is indication of pure milk. Suppose if you put a drop in the slant surface mixed with water, that is adulterated with water, milk adulterated with water, if you put a drop, generally it goes down very fast and you will not find any white mark in the passage of the milk drop. That is clear cut indication that that fellow has mixed milk with water. That is first test. Second test is, suppose if he has mixed milk with rice flour, you can easily identify that. Very simple test is that is, take a small quantity of milk in a glass and mix tincture iodine. It will be tincture iodine easily available in any medical stores. You can put 3 to 4 drops of milk in that tincture iodine into the milk of a glass of milk suspected with rice flour. Immediately it will change into yellow color or red color. Not yellow color, nelam color. Nelam color means blue color. Blue color or red color, it changes. That is, change in milk color occurs if there is mixture adulterated with milk adulterated with rice flour. If you put 4 to 5 drops of this tincture iodine. That is second test. Third test, if urea is mixed, this is very dangerous. Please note down. If urea is mixed, take 1 teaspoon milk and add soybean powder 1 teaspoon, and after 5 minutes you put the litmus paper. Litmus paper is available in any laboratories. If you put the litmus paper, it becomes red color or nelam color, that is blue color will form after 5 minutes. That is indication that urea is mixed in that milk. Next test I will tell you, fourth test is that is synthetic milk. Synthetic milk is bitter in taste, and if you put two fingers in that synthetic milk into the milk, and if you rub against each finger, generally you will feel a sliding feeling you will get. That indicates that is a synthetic milk. For pure milk you will not get that feeling. Just check yourself. Next one is fifth test is, if anybody add sugar in the milk, there is one diacetic putty will be there in the laboratory. You can purchase that diacetic putty. If you put for 32 seconds, you will change in the color of that side diacetic putty if they add sugar in the milk. Next, sixth test, if the milk vendor mixes vanaspati in the milk, you can test easily. That is, take 3 ml of milk, add 10 drops of hydrochloric acid, that is available in any laboratory, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you mix these three, after 5 minutes there will be change in color. That indicates that fellow has mixed the vanaspati. These 6 tests are very easy to identify any adulteration in the milk. So kindly note it down in your diary, so that if you doubt any fellow supplying milk to your house, you can easily identify the adulteration and catch hold of that fellow's neck. Immediately report to the nearest food controlling authority. You will get in your Android phone. If you type any food controlling authority, Guntur food controlling food adulteration authority in Vijayawada, immediately you will get the number of, you can immediately complain. Because this milk adulteration, if that milk vendor mixes water or sugar or vanaspati oil, glucose, if they add these 4 or 5 things, generally we don't have any health problems. Hardly we will get financial problem, because that fellow is mixing milk with all these things. We'll have financial, we'll lose financially. Whereas if that fellow adds sugar or urea or surf into the milk, if he makes adulterated milk with surf or urea, generally it damages our intestine, liver, kidney, and also brain will be damaged. And if it is consumed continuously by children or old age people, they will develop, or even ourselves, middle health people also, if we consume, we will develop cancers, and also our kidneys and liver will fail. It is very dangerous, and in India there is a vigorous punishment for adulteration. They will get around 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. If it is in Muslim countries, they will hang in the middle of the road. That severe punishment is there, because it is almost like killing or murdering a person. Adulteration of any food item is equal to killing a person. So it's such a dangerous situation is there. So I request all of the people to be vigilant and find out any adulteration is there. If any milk vendor is purchasing palm oil in excess in any shop, or any surf is purchasing excessively, you please suspect and report to the food safety authorities, so that they will immediately catch hold of that fellow and put him in the prison. So this is very important video. I request you to kindly share to your friends. Like it, if you like it, share it. And if you are first time seeing this and seeing my videos, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. If you have any doubts, kindly write in the comment section. Definitely I will answer. I request you all to note down the 6 type of tests you can perform in your house itself, and you note it down in your diary, so that you will not lose this information. I will give you clearly in the description section. Kindly note it down, make use of it. Thank you very much for patient listening and patient watching my video till the end. Thank you. Good day.